Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking for a Bae. Today I'm meal prepping for 2 days for his work bag, which is cold chicken salad. So let's get started. So something I've never done in a while is going over ingredients really quickly. I have pepper. You also need salt. Instead of mayo, I'm using plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I have this walnut and cranberry pieces thing here. I got this out of Walmart. It's in the salad section. I have stone ground mustard, I have a lemon, I have grapes, I have red onions, and my chicken is right over there. I'm using chicken breast. Alright, so I wanted a little bit of kick, so I added some Cajun seasoning down in here. You can add pickles or relish down in here. I didn't have any, so I didn't add any. Now I'm going to add my chicken down in here. Yes, I'm using my hands. It's more effective because it was so much. So this is day-old chicken. I cut it up and put it right down in here. Then you're going to add your grapes. These are just green grapes. You can use whatever grapes you prefer that I sliced down in half. And then I'm going to add my walnut pieces. Alright, so I added all the wet down in here. I have the mayo, the lemon juice, the pepper, the mustard, and salt. Put it all in a bowl. Then I'm going to add some of the red onion because I want it to break down a little bit in the sauce mixture. Alright, then I'm going to add my walnut cranberry pieces. It looks like it's a lot going on, but believe me, trust me, it's really good. Now I'm just going to toss this. Make sure you taste your dressing too before you toss everything. I made sure I tasted mine. You want to mix this really well. This looks great. I wish I had some relish though. I don't have any, but it's fine because it's just as good because of the ingredients that I used. It's so fresh. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in his containers and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I have my containers ready to go. I'm just gonna pile some of this chicken salad down in there. This looks so good. Now, I've never made the chicken salad for it to, with the yogurt, for it to last for the next day. So we're going to see how well this holds up. But I'm pretty sure it should be fine. I'm not going to fill these up because then that's going to be way too much. Just enough. It's only lunch. Alright guys, so this is what it ends up looking like. He loves apples. He eats apples a lot. That's probably his favorite fruit. So I try to always have apples. So I give him an apple and he wanted crackers with his chicken salad. So that's all that's in the Ziploc bag. So yep, I'm going to pack it all up and let you guys see what it looks like. I'm not going to make a drink today, but I might make one in the morning before, you know, he goes. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. As in my previous videos, this is his lunch kit. And I put the chicken salad, the crackers, the apple, and this right here is his fork. In the morning I'll put the juice because I don't know which juice I want to make as of yet. And yeah, also someone asked me to, what juice I had in the last work meal prep video. I'll link it below. I have tons and tons of fresh juice recipes, so I'll make sure I link them below. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.